Hello, my name is Daniel Rojas, a student of Industrial Engineer. Next, I am going to answer the 5 questions given in the guide. Did you do sightseeing on the Lufthansa trip? What is the most interesting place you visit? The tourist destination and the city. The visit was the Riviera Maya in Mexico and visit Manistera place such and the beautiful white sand beaches and crystal clear water of the Riviera. He also talked on the opportunity to visit the forest and meet the local wildlife and enjoy water sport in the Explore Park. But the place and like the most and found most interesting the visit were an archaeological remains in Tulum. This is an ancient Maya city and is unique in the sky and the built in the front on the Caribbean Sea and have and perimeter walls as defense. This is site and high historic value and in the wonderful learning experience. Number 2. What is the most unknown food you have tried on the trip? The most unknown food have tasted is probably the chocolate in Mexico. This is an endive insect that are prepared in different dishes on our country. They can be found in dishes and quesadillas, tayudas or tacos. In food this food very interesting and exotic. The taste is very unique. But the chocolates taste delicious besides being very nutritious. Number 3. What place have you visited on your trip? I am trip to Mexico and would have liked the visit other tourist destinations such as the Palace and Fine Arts Reform Avenue and visit the archaeological site of Chichen Itza. I am very curious person and always like to learn about the history and cultures of each country and always like to visit to this tourist destination for its energy and its beauty. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What do you saw? The most incredible activity and did on the trip was visit Cancun and its excellent nightlife, casinos and bars, and great for fun. Another incredible activity of trip on the that indefinite repeat was the visit and made to the archaeological site of Tulum. I love the magic and energy you feel in the welded city on the ancient Maya civilization. The archaeological ruins and beautiful and the landscapes and tropical sunset and Amazon. Number 5. What is better? Visit popular tourist destination of lesser no tourist destination. Why? Give and leads to reason for your answer. Both popular tourist destination and lesser no tourist destination have the 4 points and the drawback points. One could not qualify on better than the other side, each on the offer on the other and unique experience and checks they cover the net than the tourist nets lated and live leisure no tourist destination because they are more economical and have a small number of visitors, hotels, food, transportation, and places they visit are more economical. Another advantage on the elite and no tourist destination is that you can enjoy and more because the artists list people. You can take your time to observe, walk, take pictures in the more relaxed way. Thank you very much for attention. Presented by Daniel Rojas.